Good afternoon, my name's David. I work for Norfolk Yacht Agency and I'm here today to take you on board this 2014 Haines 32 Sedan. She is powered by a Nanny 43 horsepower diesel engine with a shaft. She has got a bow thruster, so she's going to be a nice and easy boat to manoeuvre. So I'm going to take you on board and just show what a lovely boat she is. So just before we go on board, quick walk around the decks. Lovely stainless steel pulpit, handrails, stainless steel mudweight on an electric anchor winch, branded fenders. The condition of the hull looks lovely, very clean boat. So that's just a quick walk down, being very careful. Excuse me while I just navigate some ropes. Also got flush fitting windows, flush fitting tinted windows. And then towards the back, lovely big berthing platform. And under there, you probably can't see it, but there is a boarding ladder. So if you do decide to take a swim, your exit from the water will be more dignified than it might otherwise be. Right, I'll take you on board. Okay, so entry into the boat via a transom gate mounted on the port side brings us into the cockpit. Got nice teak effect decking. Seating for 5 or 6 people. Upholstery looks really good condition, branded, of course. There's a sunroof, well, removable canopy, just a little bit more lighting on a day that is a bit brighter than it is today. And then got a second seat there that faces out into the cockpit. So it's a very sociable area, this. Very sociable. Huge, great lazarette. The boat looks really clean and tidy. And then, of course, one of the advantages of these boats is you've got this massive, great big opening. So the sliding doors all open out to make this huge, great socialising space, which is lovely. So taking inside to the saloon on the left, storage, blinds all round. Just switch this over. So seating again, 2, 4, 5 people. The table folds out, all in lovely condition. Nice and clean. We've got a sliding tilting roof. So again, that lets in a huge amount of light. There's a blind for both as well. So if you don't want the light in, that's doable. So the sofa there converts to a double. Pictures online. The main circuit board just behind the helm. Nice latest switches there. Okay, it's all good quality stuff, but then you'd expect that from Haines. So the helm, bow thruster control. So simple but good quality instrumentation, everything that you're going to need, and easily to hand. So yeah, here's your control. And then moving forward, here's the galley. So lovely flooring, overnight work surfaces, lots of storage, sink, 3 burner gas hob, and a Smev grill and oven below. Nice fridge. Lots of working space. Again, really good quality, high quality finish. And then there's the very front of the boat. There's the main cabin. So big island double berth, great steps up to it on either side. Lots of storage. More skylights letting you light in as it is with the rest of the boat. So it's a really light place this is. Albeit not so much today because it's a bit of a dark day outside, but moving forward again. So just close those doors. On the port side, the heads. So quite contemporary, nice and spacious, very clean. So an electric flush lead to a holding tank. Shower, very spacious. Got this chrome effect lights all the way around. Okay, so back up into the saloon. So just another quick spin around for you. Hopefully from this you can get an idea of the quality of the boat. And back out into the cockpit. So again, nice and spacious, good quality, very airy. And then just to show how these doors work. So it's very straightforward. So falls into the slot and that one moves over. Same with this one. And there you're left with only a partial opening. So good quality, easy to do, and it makes the place very flexible. Okay, I'll get you off the boat. Okay, so that's our 2014 Haines 32 Sedan, powered by a 43 horsepower Nanny diesel engine, bow thruster. She's called Pieces of 8. She's Haines build number 575. She's lying with us here at Horning. Hopefully I've been able to give you some sort of idea of the quality of the boat and how well she is presented. And if you'd like to come and take a look at her, give us a ring. We'll find a day and a time that's suitable for you to take a much closer look. There is a fully detailed spec online, www.moya.co.uk. If there's anything else you'd like to know, give us a call and we'll try and help you. In the meantime, my name's David. Thanks for watching. Bye.